planning a road trip or living on the move, a cassette toilet could be your best friend. But how exactly does it work? Let's break it down and see why it's a must-have for mobile living. Whether you're in an RV, boat, or tiny home, a cassette toilet offers a convenient and space-saving solution for waste disposal. What is a cassette toilet? A cassette toilet is a portable, compact system designed for environments where traditional plumbing isn't available. Think RVs, boats, or tiny homes. The star of the show is the cassette, a removable waste tank that collects everything after you flush. Instead of plumbing, the toilet uses a water tank to flush waste into the cassette, which can be easily detached and emptied at any designated station. It's the perfect solution for people on the go. Plus, it's space-saving, making it ideal when every inch of your space counts. No need for external plumbing, making it perfect for off-grid living. How does a cassette toilet work? Here's where the magic happens. When you use the toilet, water from a pressurized tank flushes waste directly into the cassette below. The cassette is designed to be airtight, holding everything securely until it's time to empty it. The best part? No need to worry about a plumbing system. Once the cassette is full, simply pull it out. Most models have handles or wheels for easy transport, and take it to a waste disposal station. For hygiene, you'll likely use special chemical treatments that break down waste and keep odors at bay. Think of it like a regular toilet, just more portable. The entire system is designed for ease, so even with no sewage connections, you're still able to enjoy a full functioning toilet experience. Key benefits of cassette toilets. So why should you consider a cassette toilet? For starters, they're a lifesaver in small spaces. RVs, campers, and tiny homes can benefit from their compact design without sacrificing comfort. They're also super portable. Once the tank's full, you simply swap it out and go. This means no more dealing with messy bags or bulky portable toilets. Plus, the water-efficient flushing system ensures you use less water with each flush, making them eco-friendly too. Convenience is key. You won't have to rely on external plumbing systems, making them perfect for off-grid adventure. And let's not forget the fact that they're much cleaner than traditional portable toilets, which often involve awkward and messy handling. Drawbacks of cassette toilets. Of course, no system is perfect. One downside is that you'll need to empty the cassette more often than you might expect. With a smaller tank, it fills up quickly, especially if there are multiple users. If you're not keeping up with regular emptying, odors can become an issue. And although the system is relatively low maintenance, you'll still need to clean it regularly and use the right chemical treatments. It's also important to remember that cassette toilets aren't ideal for larger groups or long trips without regular access to a waste disposal site. They're designed for convenience, but if you're planning to stay in one spot long-term, a traditional toilet might be a better option. Finally, they do cost more upfront than standard toilets, and you may need some extra accessories for proper operation. Best use cases. Cassette toilets are perfect for anyone who's always on the move. RVers, boaters, campers, and those living in tiny homes. They're ideal for short trips or off-the-grid living where plumbing just isn't feasible. If you travel frequently and need a compact, reliable solution, a cassette toilet is a game changer. However, they're not the best option for large families or long-term living without access to regular waste disposal. So, think about your travel frequency and how often you'll need to empty the tank before making the decision. Maintenance and costs. Keeping your cassette toilet in good shape isn't difficult, but it does require some regular attention. You'll need to empty the cassette frequently and clean it to avoid odors and buildup. You might also use chemical treatments to help with waste breakdown and odor control. As for the cost, cassette toilets tend to be pricier than regular toilets, but they're a solid investment if you're living a mobile lifestyle. There are some ongoing costs for chemicals and occasional repairs, but overall, it's a small price to pay for the freedom and convenience they offer. Cassette toilets are an essential piece of equipment for mobile living. They save space, are portable, and eliminate the need for plumbing. Just be sure to weigh your travel needs, maintenance habits, and budget before deciding if it's the right choice for you.